G'day guys, Joe Bolton here. Today I'm going to show you how I rig my swim baits. So in this little tackle box I got here, guys, it's got all my spare bits and pieces. So it's always great to carry all your spare pieces, so it's nice and easy to get to. You know what you've got. You've got all your weights, your split rings, solid rings, spare hooks, scissors, some split ring pliers, a lighter if you need it. So all that stuff's really handy in the boat. So you see the standard hooks that come on the Gigantarels. They're fairly soft and not strong enough for our Australian cod here. So the best thing is to take them off. They're pretty much made for American bass, so I'll take them off and then I'll put the ST41s on, and that makes them heaps stronger. You don't seem to bend them out. So for my Gigantarels, I'll normally run a split ring and a weight, a snake lock weight with the little tag end broken off. Then I run ST41s on the hooks. With the front one's a 2.0 double split ringed, and the back one is a 1.0. The split rings are decoys, number 5, extra strong. So with the chin weight, we can change the chin weight up from, I normally run a 1/6 in real shallow water, but if I'm trying to get it really deep, I can even run up to a 3/8 in that. Just makes them run at different depths, so you can target different fish. So this is your little snake lock, guys. So I'll show you how I break off the little tag end, so it makes it easy for you placing on your Gigantarels, or Gigantarels. So easy as to break this little tag end off. Just grab your set of pliers nice and close to it, and then you're just bending it, and there it is. Comes off nice and easy like that. Then all you got to do is add a split ring to the front end of it. Alright, so we'll just place the split ring on. So it's all ready to go. It's as easy as that. Then you can change that onto any of your swim baits, Gigantarels, chibbies, whatever you're using. Well, it makes it nice and easy. So on the actual Gigantarel, there's a solid ring that most people will tie to. What I actually do is put a split ring on that, and then on my leader I have a solid ring on that, and I just split ring it on and off, so I can change the lures really easy. So I can change from this colour to say this colour, or vice versa, or even if I wanted to chuck something different. There you go, guys, that's how I rig my swim baits. Hopefully that helps you guys out when you're out here at Copeton swimming them around. So until next time, guys, enjoy what I enjoy, fishing, camping, and cooking the catch.